So, tapos na kami sa aming exercise for today. Kasama ang aking BFF. BFF forever and ever. So, pauwi na mi. Nakakapagod. Parang, alam mo yun, parang nagugutom ako, na nakakapagod, na gusto kong matulog. Pero, dahil isa tayong ina, may anak pa tayong aalagaan. Tingnan mo ang kalat ng buhok ko. So, nandito ang aking BFF. Kunwaring magbabasa ng libro. Gusto niya talaga yung mga ganyan. Actually, gusto niya yung mga ganyan, mga history. My husband is very smart. Wala ako nun. A little bit lang. Smart din naman ako, no? Kasi pinili ko siyang pakasalan. Duh. So, mag-iisip ako ng kakainin ko for today. For today's morning. So, we're on the way. Pauwi na. So, how's life? Life is very, 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 very wonderful. We're blessed, we're happy, and we're contented. Right, love? Amen! Ako na talagang sumagot. Ang tagal niya kasi sumagot. So, ako na. So, saan yung Junakis ko? Yung Junakis ko, nagkagala. So, as long as you feel blessed, you feel lucky, and don't forget to pray that everything's gonna be okay. Ang mahalaga is importante. Love, 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 love. Feeling ko talaga, sobrang pagod ko talaga today. As in. Pero bawal tayong sumuko kasi may anak tayo. So that's it for 2 days. No more haters, okay? Choose love, spread love, and choose to be happy every day. Mwah!